How to recover deleted videos on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gallery. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. I'll show you an example if you delete from where you can recover. As you can see, I've deleted this. In your gallery, scroll down till you find recently deleted. Click on recently deleted and you'll find the video you deleted. Simply click on three dots on top right corner of your screen and you'll find recover option below delete. Click on recover and then your video will be recovered in your main gallery. This is how to recover deleted videos on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.